Hello everybody, this is Lee Phillips' Journey of Truth. I don't know what's going on over here. Several fire trucks. And police officers. Got 3 fire trucks over here that I can see. We got some folks sitting outside. This is right over here on the same block. That we had the fire of the train depot building. So we're at the corner of Camp Street and C.S. Floyd. We got engine 15 sitting over here. Walton County Fire and Rescue. Engine 18. I don't know which one of these businesses might have pulled a fire alarm. Let's see what these guys are fixing to do. See which one they're going into. They're coming on around the corner. Got another Loganville City Police pulling in. Today's Tuesday. I think it's April 21st. I am so bad on dates. Surely the problem is not in the laundromat area, because they don't have any of the fire trucks around here, but maybe it is. Oh, they do have another fire truck around here. Oh my goodness, that makes 4. Oh, there's that Jaguar that was down at the end down there where the fire was. So they're up on the roof. Looks like they're looking at those rooftop units. Let's back on up a little bit more. I heard mention about something that happened last night. A faulty air conditioning unit possibly is what it sounds like it might be. Let's walk back around the front. See if they're going in any of the other units still. So just a little part of history. Before Ace Hardware was out on Highway 78 going towards Snellville, Ace Hardware used to be right here. This is where they were at. All right, we've got guys in gear still going around that way. They have to check everything out. When you're dealing with an unknown, you have to check everything out so that you can eliminate it as a problem. So they probably evacuated everybody from all the businesses. And probably as they do their investigation. Good afternoon, gentlemen. I'm doing all right. I think I heard a little chatter around on the back side, maybe a faulty AC unit that was reported with a problem last night.
It's something to do with the laundromat. Not quite sure, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's something to do with the laundromat over here.
I think I heard them saying, because they were up on the roof looking at the unit on the roof, and I think I heard somebody say that there was a report of the AC unit not working right last night. So, you know, my ear just, if you're not there, you can't hear it, but if you're there, you can catch it. Now, that is, I will tell everybody, that is unconfirmed. That's just what I think I hear with my ear.
Sure.
So,
Sure. All right, sir. I'm going with you.
y'all have a blessed day. Come on, come on. We're gonna let them get pulled on out of here so they can get back to work. They got other stuff to do. There's people to catch on their cell phones, people to get for speeding, running stop signs. Man, we got all kinds of problems going on here in Loganville with people that don't know how to drive. And we're gonna slide around on this side over here. Take a look at engine 15. They got a little dent in their exhaust pipe right there. Somebody's got some equipment for sale. All this is still in progress of being worked on. You can still smell. Oh, I don't know, that's electrical. I smell electrical wires. I don't know, maybe that is this remnants of this over here, but that's not the way the wind's blowing. No, that's a fresh smell of burnt electrical wires. I'll give y'all a look real quick. The wood that was in this structure was from the late 1800s, early 1900s. To the best of my knowledge, I don't think any of this was new wood. I can look at those joists and tell you that that's old wood. Yeah, this was late 1800s. I'm gonna walk past the fire truck. Common sense says stay on this side and walk on past, but don't get between the fire truck and the building. All right, folks. Well, I don't see no ambulance here. I wonder when they're gonna get that house built right there. So here at the Super laundromat, it looks like they either had a lit fire or an electrical fire of some kind. And we're gonna close it out here. Y'all remember, be safe out there. Be good to one another. Do something kind for someone. And y'all have a blessed day.